Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tamil Quality Inspection. Today we are going to discuss the topic on duplex stainless steel. So here in this video we are going to learn what is duplex stainless steel and its characteristics and applications. Come let me get started. First, what is duplex stainless steel? It's a type of stainless steel that has both austenitic and ferritic microstructure. So we can call it as dual phase structure. Because of this dual phase structure, it has a unique properties, okay, that make duplex stainless steel more resistant to corrosion as well as mechanically very strong than other stainless steel. In duplex stainless steel, we can see it the primary alloying element that are chromium, nickel, and molybdenum. Chromium percentage is higher in this alloy, duplex stainless steel. So it has a range in between 21 to 30%. So it will vary depend upon the grade of duplex stainless steel. And nickel percentage is in between 1 to 8.5%. So molybdenum is in between 0.05 to 3.5%. So we can call it as duplex stainless steel is 50 percentage austenitic stainless steel and 50 percentage ferritic stainless steel. That is called as duplex stainless steel. It has a microstructure of austenitic and ferritic stainless steel. This is a table for the chemical analysis of duplex stainless steel. We have so many grades. Uh, so here you can see the major composition of this duplex stainless steel is chromium, nickel, and molybdenum. The chromium is a little bit higher than other alloys, other alloying elements. This is about chemical analysis, and this duplex stainless steel has a special characteristics. That one we can call it as key characteristics. Normally, duplex stainless steel have higher strength than other stainless steel such as austenitic and ferritic stainless steel. It has more strength, and in case of corrosion resistance, it's very more excellent corrosion resistance. Specifically, we can say it's more resistance to pitting corrosion, crevice corrosion, and stress corrosion cracking, because it has a combination of austenitic and ferritic phase. Due to that, it is more resistance to pitting, crevice corrosion, and stress corrosion cracking, even though if it's used in a chloride rich environment. Normally, the material, you can see normally material, it it loses its toughness in lower temperature, in negative temperature. But duplex stainless steel, it will be more tougher in a lower temperature. So it has a good toughness properties. Compared to austenitic stainless steel, this duplex stainless steel is more resistance, more resistive to stress corrosion cracking and weldability. Duplex stainless steel can be welded, but we should be more careful and we should be more precautious to do the welding in duplex stainless steel, because it can form harmful microstructure. To prevent that, we should be more cautious during the welding. And this is about the key characteristics of duplex stainless steel. Next, we are going to discuss about the type of duplex stainless steel. So here, pitting resistance equivalence number is plays a major role in duplex stainless steel. If the PREN values are more, it resists more against pitting corrosion. Based on the PREN value, so duplex stainless steel are differentiated and classified into four: lean duplex grade and the standard duplex stainless steel, and super duplex stainless steel, hyper duplex stainless steel. First, we are going to discuss about lean duplex stainless steel. In this grade, the PREN range will be in between 22 to 30. So here you can see the addition of molybdenum will be very, very, very less compared to other duplex stainless steel grades. Lean duplex grades are S32101, S32304, S32202. This type of grades are mainly used in construction industries for bridges, building, and fabrication of pressure vessel. And next one is standard duplex stainless steel. So it has a PR in range in between 30 to 38%. Uh, Actually, it has a mid-range property, so it is used most widely. And in this grade, S31803 and S32205. And next one is super duplex stainless steel. It has a PR in range in between 38 to 48%. It has more content of chromium, nickel, molybdenum, and nitrogen. Because of this higher content, it is more corrosive resistance, and it is more strong, and specifically designed for highly corrosive environment such as oil and gas and chemical industries. In this super duplex stainless steel, the grades are S32750, S32760, S32950, S32808. Then at last, it's a hyper duplex, and it has a PN range is greater than 45%. And here it has a high alloyed duplex stainless steel. It has high alloy. You can see that the chromium percentage is more in this duplex stainless steel. Uh, it has more corrosive resistance, and it is more stronger than other type of duplex stainless steel grade. Uh, Hyper duplex stainless steel grades are S32520. So applications, the duplex stainless steel is used in a variety of industries such as oil and gas, chemical processing, marine, bulk and paper manufacturing industries. You can see duplex stainless steel in pipelines, offshore platforms, subsea equipments, even though in chemical processing, where the equipment is exposed to high corrosive chemicals and environment. And you can see in desalination plants, seawater handling equipments, and also equipment for pulp production and chemical recovery. This duplex stainless steel has a balance property of strength and corrosive resistance. So it makes the duplex stainless steel a more popular choice in demanding environment where both properties are essential. I hope this video you learned a lot from this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye. See you.